Okay, in the last video, we learned about class-based view and function-based view. In this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between the class-based view and function-based view, like when we should use class-based view and when we should use function-based view. So let's discuss about the first function-based view. The function-based views are good for beginners. It is very easy to understand in comparison to class-based views. Initially, when you want to focus on core fundamentals, using the function-based views gives the advantage of to understand it. Let's discuss about the good point of function-based views. It's easy to read and understand the implement and explain code flow, straightforward use case of decorators, and good for specialized functionality as well as. And let's discuss about the bad point. And code redundancy and hard to extend conditional branching will be used to handle HTTP methods. This is the bad point of function. And let's discuss about the class-based views. Class-based views are the alternative of function-based views. It is implemented in the project as Python object instead of functions. And class-based views does not replace function-based views, but they do not have certain advantages over function-based views. But class-based views take care of basic functionality such as deleting an item or adding an item. Using class-based views is not easy for beginners. You will have to go through the documents and you will have to study it properly. Once you understand the function-based view in Django, and you can prepare to use the class-based views. Let's discuss about the good point of class-based views. The most significant advantage of the class-based view is inheritance, and you can implement inheritance in class-based views. In the class-based views, you can inherit another class and it can be modified for the different use cases. Also, it helps you to follow the dry principle. That means don't repeat yourself and you won't have to write the same code over and over in your boilerplate. Code reusability is possible in class-based views, and you can extend class-based views and you can add more functionality using mixing. Another advantage of class-based views is to using a class-based view is code structuring, and also in class-based views you can use different class instance method instead of conditional branching, and also to generate the different HTTP request method in class-based views as I use here get method, and you can also use post method, update method, and delete method in this class-based views. So the bad point is class-based views is this is complex to implement it and harder to read and understand, and implicitly to code flow that extra input and method override to require view decorators. So this is the difference between the class-based view and the functional-based view.